This is the bed I did last year in the fall. I'm still having issues with this doggone vine. I don't know what this darn junk is, but I pulled up as much as I could. I'm gonna do something with it. Oh, this whole section, I gotta cut this out. I forgot this section here. But I cut back all of this. I just missed this section here. I'm gonna cut that off. Oh, love that. Hate them. I'd rather have the fall than the summer because you don't have to deal with so many bugs in this time of year. Early spring and fall, that's my time of year. So everything here was planted in the fall or either the spring. I moved this sedum from another spot. See, this vine just growing everywhere. I hate this mess. I'm gonna put something on it to get rid of it.